Narrator: It's raining. The sky has turned completely gray. Dry roads have now been flooded. People are taking their umbrellas with them to avoid getting washed away. A girl is walking fast. Her name is Carla. She is a student who has to go to the market today. She has to buy something. Narrator: Carla is standing near an umbrella shop. Her eyes fall on a red umbrella. It is very beautiful. Very stylish. Carla, thinking, I like this umbrella, but it costs $10. I only have $7. Dialogue between Carla and shopkeeper. Carla: I can give it $7. Can you? Shopkeeper: Your luck is good today. Here, take it for $7. Carla is happy. She takes the umbrella and leaves the market. Now the rain cannot stop her. Carla goes to a cake shop. Her younger brother likes cakes very much. Narrator: She goes inside the shop and keeps her red umbrella near the door. While she selects the cakes, another girl comes out of the shop. She has a cake box in her hand, and she picked up Carla's red umbrella. When Carla comes out of the shop, her red umbrella disappears. In its place is an old black umbrella with peeled teeth. Carla comes out with the umbrella. She is angry. A new boy is following her. He is repeatedly saying, "Hello, stop." Narrator: Carla cannot understand. Why is this boy following her? When she stops in the crowd, the boy comes and says, "Paul, Marissa, you are here. I thought you would not come." Carla, confused: I am not Marissa. Paul, shocked: What? But you have the same umbrella in your hand. Paul explains that he came to meet Marissa, who is a friend of his cousin. Paul's cousin has a photo of Marissa. In it, Marissa has the same black and peeled umbrella in her hand. Carla laughs and says, "Carla, that means Marissa picked up my red umbrella by mistake." Paul apologizes and says, "Let's go have a coffee?" Carla thinks and then agrees. Carla and Paul sit in the cafe, drink coffee, and talk. Paul tells her that he is a law student and Carla studies science. They laugh and have fun. Maybe a new friendship is starting. Carla leaves the coffee shop and her eyes fall on a girl. Narrator: A tall, short girl with dark hair, holding a red candle in her hand. That girl is Marissa. Marissa, embarrassed: Oh, is this yours? I made a mistake. Carla says, "No problem. Keep the red one. I like this black and peely one." Carla smiles and says, "This is a lucky one. It's my lucky day." The rain starts falling again. Carla opens her new umbrella and smiles. Narrator: Sometimes the things we lose, we get them back in a new way. Will Carla and Paul meet again? Is this the beginning of a new friendship?